Hello. In this video, we're going to see how to install an InLinks JavaScript code on WordPress. So for this video, I have built a project for a site called predictiontech.com, which is the following. This is a WordPress site that covers all things related to technology and AI. And I have built a project here with 9 pages for predictiontech.com. So once you add in your pages into your InLinks project, what you need to do as a first step is to associate a page to a corresponding topic, at least one page with a corresponding topic or entity. I'm going to take, for example, this page that I have added, which is about analyzing and predicting consumer behavior. So I'm going to click here on the target button. And on the right hand side, we will see the list of entities having been understood within the content of this page. And from here, I will select what is the overarching corresponding entity. So since this is a page about consumer behavior, I'm going to choose the entity of consumer behavior here to be targeted with this page. Then I'm gonna just refresh this to see if the tool is able to create some intro links and schema markup for this. But even if the tool doesn't create at this step any intro links and schema, at least you would need to make one topic association with an entity. So once I do this, I'm going to go straight to this button, GS code is inactive. I'm going to click on this. And here I'm going to see what is my InLinks JavaScript code. So I'm going to click here to copy the code to clipboard, and I'm going to paste it to a WordPress file or a WordPad file. And then I'm going to go to my WordPress admin dashboard and then go here to plugins, then add a new plugin. Then I'm going to search for a plugin about header and footer plugin. So I'm going to put in header and footer and select a header and footer plugin. It can be anyone here. Just see which ones have significant active installations and reviews here. So I'm going to go with this one, insert header and footers. This plugin is about including inline JavaScript, style sheets, CSS, and so on. So I'm going to install this plugin here. And then click on Activate. Then once my plugin is activated, I'm going to search for it here in the list of plugin. So it is this one, WP headers and footers. I'm going to click here on settings. Skip this step. So I'll be looking to put the JavaScript code in the footer instead of header and body. So I'm going to copy my InLinks JavaScript code once again and put the code here in scripts and footer. And then I'm going to click here on save. Then I will go back to my InLinks dashboard or InLinks project. Then I'm going to click back again on the GS code is inactive, and I'd like to check again to see if the code is active. So it's going to turn into green to say that all is good. Then if you want to ensure if the links are implemented within of the website, let's see an example here. So I see on this page, the future of AI-driven SEO content. There is a link outside from this page to this consumer behavior page. And if I see the link here, okay, so I'm going to click on this this source page. And the anchor of the link is behavior and preferences. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to do Control F to see the link. And I can see the link here. If you want to ensure that this is a link created by InLinks, we can do a right click, then we can inspect. And then on here on the elements part, you will see a class InLinks. So this is the first option to install the JavaScript code within a plugin such as header and footer. We do have there's a different option to install the JS code without a plugin. So I'm going first to deactivate the header and footer plugin. I'm going to deactivate this and deactivate. Okay, just want to make sure that the plugin is deactivated. Okay, so the GS code is inactive once again. So there's a second option to install the GS code without using a plugin. So we would want to go here to this part, appearance, and then we want to go here to theme file editor. And once we have the theme file editor, I'm gonna search in the theme files for Footer.php. I'm gonna click on Footer.php here. And then I'm gonna copy my InLinks JS code once again. And on the Footer.php, I'm going to put the JS code just in here, and then click on update file. Wait for a few seconds until it is saved. Okay, it says edited successfully. Go back to the site itself. Copy the JS code is an active button, and then I want to check once again if the code is live. Okay, so it's all good. Okay, let's make sure that the link is there on this page, or maybe we can check another one. Okay, let's check this page where there's an outgoing link here, and with the anchor of consumer behavior, copy this anchor, search on the page. Okay, I can see a link here. If you want to make sure, just do inspect, and then you'll see a class InLinks. So these are two options that you can use to install your InLinks JavaScript code on WordPress, whether by using a plugin or by going to the footer.php. I hope this video is useful. In case you need any help regarding the InLinks JS code, please do reach out to us on the chat. Thank you very much.